Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. Okay, so is my voice audible to you all? Then please write down yes in the comment box. Quick. Don't waste your time. Quickly join in our class. Live class is already started. A special topic is going to be taught. Okay then. Now tell me, how are you all? Have you all celebrated Ganesh Puja? Okay. We are very glad to listen that all of you have participated in our Ganesh Idol competition. So it was a very nice experience. Yes or no? All right. So without wasting our time, let's move on to the live class, and let me tell you how can you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get no notification. If still you have not subscribed yet, then quickly subscribe and ask your friends to join in our Aveti Learning live class. Okay, so without starting our live class, let me tell you the rules of our live class, and that is, the first one is you should have to answer the questions which is asked only, and that should be only on the comment box or your chat box. Okay, and secondly, don't start chatting with each other. Thirdly, if you start chatting with each other, then you will face problem while watching the video. Okay, and finally, it's a special request to all of you that you should have to make your notes after watching the video. As you know, it's a permanent video. You can find anytime. Once you subscribed, means the notification is there. So anytime you can find this video on YouTube. So don't make note while watching the video at least. Okay. So, as you know, Aveti Learning provides you spoken English class and coding class, and that is absolutely free of cost. Okay, so I hope all of you have registered your name in the given link. So, if some of your friends are interested to join in our spoken English class and coding class, then please help them in the registration of the both the classes. Okay. So let me tell you, the registration for coding class is, and the link is https colon double slash bit.ly slash Aveti coding class, and the registration for spoken English class, and the link is https colon double slash bit.ly slash Aveti spoken English. So now you can see I'm sharing a screen in front of you, that here you can see that so many students are there, and it is a spoken English class. Okay, so it is a live spoken English class in Zoom. So if you want to join in this spoken English class, then the only one thing you just have to do is the registration. Okay, you just have to register your name. Already thousands of students have registered their name. Okay, so now it's your turn. So in our previous classes, we have discussed about the types of sentences. Okay, so how many types of sentences are there? Quickly write down in the comment box. How many sentences are there? How many types of sentences are there? Quick. Without wasting your time, without chatting with each other, just you have to write the answer in the comment box. Yes, all of you have studied well. As we know that sentences are of three types. Then what are they? If sentences are of three types, then what are they? Quickly write down the answer in the comment box. Yes, all of you have given the right answer. And the answer is 1. Simple sentence. 2. Compound sentence. 3. Complex sentence. Then tell me, what is the feature of a simple sentence? Which sentence is known as a simple sentence? Quickly write down. Yes. Here we can see that the sentence which has a subject and a predicate is called a simple sentence. That means in a sentence we are having a subject and also a predicate part. So that sentence is known as a simple sentence, and genuinely it has an independent finite clause. Simple sentences are having only one independent finite clause. Finite clause means a finite, in that clause finite verb is there. Okay, finite verb is that kind of verb by which we can able to know in which tense the sentence is. Okay, finite verb द्वारा आमे जानी परिबा जे वाक्यटी केउ टेंस रे अछि हैला. So today's topic is types of simple sentences. Okay. Now let's start types of simple sentences. So there are 4 kinds of simple sentences. Okay. How many kinds of simple sentences are there? There are 4 kinds of simple sentences. Okay. Then let's know what are they. One is declarative sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Number 3 is imperative sentence. And number 4 is exclamatory sentence. Okay, remember again. One is declarative sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Number 3 is imperative sentence. Number 4 is exclamatory sentence. Okay. So now let's know what is a declarative sentence. Okay. So a declarative sentence is a statement. Okay. And in a declarative sentence, the predicate is a statement about the subject. Okay. So now see, here is an example that Cuttack is on Mahanadi. Okay. So which is the subject? Cuttack is the subject. Okay. Is on Mahanadi is the predicate part, and in a declarative sentence the predicate is the statement about the subject. Here the predicate part is on Mahanadi. So is on Mahanadi is a statement about the subject Cuttack. कटक केउठी अछि महानदी ऊपर अछि अर्थात महानदी ऊपर किए अछि कटक अछि हैला. तो कटक विषय रे गोटे स्टेटमेंट जहाँकि प्रेडिकेट पार्ट बुझाए, तेणु एई वाक्यटी एक वक्तव्य अटे बा स्टेटमेंट अटे. डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस अर्थात एक वक्तव्य हैला. जेउ वक्तव्य रे प्रेडिकेट पार्ट सब्जेक्ट विषय रे एक वक्तव्य प्रदान करे अर्थात प्रेडिकेट पार्टी कर्ता विषय रे एक वक्तव्य प्रदान करे ठीक है and it always ends with full stop okay now let's move on to interrogative sentence okay so an interrogative sentence is a question and it always ends with a question mark very easy interrogative question कौन हेतिबो गोटे प्रश्न हेतिबो एवं प्रश्नर शेष रे केउ चिन्ह रही थाए प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह रही थाए सिंपल सो हियर इज द एग्जांपल हु रोट महाभारत महाभारत किए लिखिचंती जेतेबेले आमे प्रश्न करू सेतेबेले कोन करू ए प्रश्नर शेष रे एक प्रश्नवाचक चिन्हटी व्यवहार करिथाउ ठीक है हु रोट महाभारत सो दिस सेंटेंस इज अ क्वेश्चन एंड it also ends with a question mark here you can see this is the question mark okay so it is the feature of an interrogative sentence clear okay now let's move on to imperative sentence an imperative sentence is a command it makes a request or tells someone to do something and it usually ends with a period okay it may be a request it may be a wish or warning suggestion advice command order etc okay so here is an example that respect your elders okay so here this sentence is an advice ओके सो इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस अर्थ होची आदेशात्मक वाक्य जो वाक्य रे एक आदेश किंबा एक अनुरोध किंबा कोनोसी शुभेच्छा किंबा कोनोसी परामर्श कोनोसी उपदेश एई प्रकार जदि किछि सूचाए तले सेही वाक्यटी आदेशात्मक वाक्य होइथाय and the subject is always you okay यार कर्ता सब बेले किए होई थाए you होई थाए अर्थात तुमे होई थाए केमती respect your elders माने you respect your elders okay so go there means you go there and that subject you is to be silent you ता सब बेले उह्य होई कि थाए ठीक है go there come here आमे ओडिया रे मध्ये को कोन झरकाटी बंद करि दियो अर्थात के बंद कर दियो तुमे बंद करि दियो एठाकू आस अर्थात तुमे एठाकू आस जेमती एठाकू आस रे तुमे व्यवहार न कले मध्ये वाक्यर भाव आमे बुझी पारु से प्रकार जेपरि तुमे उह्य रही थाए सेपरि इंग्रजी रे मध्ये सब्जेक्ट यू is also silent clear then finally exclamatory sentence an exclamatory sentence is like a statement but it shows a surprise or strong feeling an exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation point or an exclamation mark okay so this is an exclamation mark so exclamatory sentence means आश्चर्य सूचक वाक्य ओके तो जो वाक्य द्वारा कौन सी प्रकार आश्चर्य हबार सूचना मिली थाए तो ताको आमे आश्चर्य सूचक वाक्य कहि थाउ एवं आश्चर्य सूचक वाक्यर शेष रे एक आश्चर्य सूचक चिन्ह रही थाए ठीक है फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट एन एक्सीलेंट सिंगर शी इज हाउ ब्यूटीफुली she sings okay from these two sentences we came to know that these two sentences are exclamatory sentence how what an excellent singer she is So, while expressing this sentence, there is a strong feeling of surprise is created, and this sentence is ended with an exclamation point. Okay, how beautifully she sings. Se kete sundar gito gauche. So, a strong feeling is there, and also this sentence is ended with an exclamation mark. So, this is known as exclamatory sentence. Okay, so student, today is this much. We have discussed about the types of simple sentences. Okay, so there are four types of simple sentences. One is declarative sentence, two is interrogative sentence, three is imperative sentence, and number four is exclamatory sentence. Okay, so we have discussed about their features with examples. I hope all of you have got the exact point. Okay, so in our next class, we are having, as usual, a quiz class on this four types of sentences. Okay, so if you have some questions or any doubts with you, then please contact us. This is our Aveti WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. As usual, you all are known that we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today's this much. We will meet in our next class with some new questions, with some new content. Till then, don't go anywhere. Keep watching Aveti Learning. Keep learning. Activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.